Good morning, Year 3, and welcome to the first maths meeting for the month. It is Monday, the 1st of March, the first day of March. So I hope you had a fantastic, restful weekend and are ready to do some learning today. It's Miss Everingham here, and all you're going to need today for your maths meeting is a piece of paper and a pencil. So pause the video if you need to grab those things, and then press play when you're ready to begin. Fantastic. The big hand, the blue hand, tells us how many minutes past or to the hour. The small hand's hand tells us the hour. The small hand is the red hand. On the piece of paper in front of you, write down the time. Press pause while you work it out and press play when you're ready to check your answer. Fantastic. Okay, so the big hand is pointing to the 8. That is 20 minutes to the hour. So it's 22, and then the small hand tells us the hour. It's almost on the 3. So it's 20 to 3. 20 to 3. Give yourself a tick or press pause while you fix up your answer. Fantastic. What's the time here if the big blue hand tells us how many minutes past or to, and the small red hand tells us the hour? Write it down on the piece of paper in front of you, press pause while you work it out, and press play when you're ready to check. Well done. The long blue hand is on the 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes past the hour. The red small hand is just past the 9, so it is 5 minutes past 9. Give yourself a tick or press pause while you fix up your answer. Fantastic. I wonder if at the end of this maths meeting you might be able to tell your adults the time if you have an analog clock like the one on the screen there. Oh, Benny has lots of money in his bank. He has £2 and 50, 75. £2.75 in his bank account, but he spent 25p. 25p is there for you. If Benny spent 25p, how much is in Benny's bank now? He had £2.75. Take away 25p. How much does he have left over? Write it down on the piece of paper in front of you, press pause while you work it out, and press play when you're ready to check your answer. Very good. Let's see if you are right. So he had £2.75 in total, but he took away 25p. Let's take away 25p. How much does Benny have in his bank now? £2.50. Give yourself a tick if you got that correct, or press pause while you fix up your answer. Fantastic. Let's practice what times table is this? 2 times tables. Let's go. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 2, 6. 4 times 2, 8. 5 times 2, 10. 6 times 2, 12. 7 times 2, 14. 8 2, 16. 9 times 2, 18. 10 times 2, 20. 11 times 2, 22. 12 times 2, 24. Fantastic work. What do you notice when we times anything by 2? The answer is double the number we're timesing by 2, because timesing anything by 2 is just like doubling it. 2 times 2 is 2 groups of 2. Let's use our knowledge of our 2 times tables to work out these answers hidden by the blue boxes. I'm going to say them all, and then you're going to have a go at answering them. 12 times 2 equals 10 times something equals 20. 10, 2 lots of 10 is, I might have just given you the answer. Something times 2 equals 12. What times 2 equals 12? And then the last one, 2 times 9 equals something. Press pause while you just write down the numbers hidden by the blue boxes, and then press play when you're ready to check your answer. Fantastic. You are working really hard today. Well done. 12 times 2 equals, yes, 24. 12 plus 12 is 24. 10 times what equals 20? 10 times 2 equals 20, because 10 plus 10 equals 20. Something times 2 equals 12. 6 times 2 equals 12. 2 times 9 equals... Fantastic work. Press pause if you need to fix up your answer or give yourself 4 ticks. Well done. Let's help Addison add. Now remember, when we have 2-digit numbers, add 2-digit numbers, when we do it in our head, we add the tens column first and then the ones column. Press pause while you work out the answer to this addition. Press play when you're ready to check your answer. Well done. Okay, let's see if you got the same answer as me. So 7 tens plus 4 tens equals 7 plus 4, 11 tens. Another way of saying 11 tens is 110. That's right. So 70 plus 40 equals 110. That's our tens column. Now let's add the ones column. 4 ones plus 2 ones equals 6. That's right. It's ones column, so it's just the number 6. So now we have to add the 2 numbers together. 110 plus 6 equals, that's right, 116. That's our answer. Well done. Press pause if you need to fix up your answer, or press play when you're ready to continue. Fantastic. Oh, Connie's multiples. Multiples. We know that we're going to be working with times. That's right. Can you use your magnifying glass? Grab it out, dust it off. Can you find the 2 times tables in this array, this picture here? Press pause while you work out the answer, the 2 times tables, and press play when you're ready to check your answer. Wonderful. Okay, so the first times table you could have found was 4 times 3, which equals 12. We have 4 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. In total, there are 12 triangles. Could you find the other one? That's it. 3 groups of 4. There's 1, 2, 3 groups and 4 triangles in each group. In total, there's still 12 triangles. They've just been grouped in different ways. Well done. Press pause if you need to fix up your answer, and then press play when you're ready to continue. Fantastic. Okay, let's remember our 2 times tables to help us work out this division. 12 divided by 2 equals... Press pause while you write down your answer on the piece of paper in front of you, and then press play when you're ready to check your answer. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. We can check that using a times table. 2 times 6 equals 12. So we know 12 divided into 2 equal groups equals 6. Press pause if you need to check over your answer or give yourself a tick. Well done. Let's help Patty find the missing numbers. Have a look at the square in red. Use the numbers outside of the square to help you work out the pattern so that you can fill in the missing numbers in the squares within the red square. Press pause while you work out the answers and then press play when you're ready to continue and check your answer. How did you go? Did you have the same answer as me? I looked outside the box to work out the pattern. 84 to 85, 85 to 86. There is only one jump between those squares. So I've thought about 72. What's 1 less than 72? 71. What's 1 more than 72? 73. Check your answers. Press pause if you need to check them over, or give yourself a tick if you got them all correct. Well done. 100 more than 300. I'm adding 100, so my hundreds column is going to change. More means bigger. 100 less than 450. Again, we're doing 100 less, so the hundreds column is going to change. It's going to get smaller. Less means smaller. Press pause while you work out the answer to those two questions. Press play when you're ready to check your answer. How did you go? 100 more than 300 is 400. 100 less than 450 is 350. The hundreds column of the number changes. Well, year 3, we've run out of time. Well done again for working so hard. We're going to even speed through even more quickly tomorrow, or on Wednesday, I should say. So well done. And I will see you on Wednesday for our next maths meeting. Keep up the hard work today. Bye.